Hello everyone. It is February 19th, 10:30 at night, and tomorrow morning I am flying to Quiltcon. I spent the whole day trying to get all my stuff into one carry-on, and somehow I have managed to do that. I do have one extra bag here for my photography equipment, and then of course I have my purse.
So one of my mistakes when I went to Alaska is I didn't check out my tech well enough before I went. So here's a GoPro and here's a GoPro mount. I just have it like here, so when I'm walking I can just go like this. So it appears I still know how to use the selfie stick. Now I have the sound on. I'm just doing a test to see whether this sounds better than what I had. As far as a tripod goes, I think I'm going to take this stick. I can use it as a selfie on my big one if I wanted to. I don't think I'm going to trouble myself with a big tripod. That's just going to get in the way of me enjoying Quiltcon, so this will have to do.
And it all fits nicely into this bag. I'm taking one class, so I still need to pack a couple of things for the class. And after I pack a small sew on the go kit, I am done. So I'll see you in the morning. It's been a pretty non-eventful morning. I was up at 6, got here in plenty of time, the gates changed, but we're about ready to go. See you in Atlanta. The trip from the airport had a little bit of a blip in it. Back in Toronto, I had to check my carry-on luggage because of the story of there being no room in the cabin for it. So when I went to claim it, I turned right instead of left and ended up at another baggage claim carousel, which unfortunately was on the opposite side of security. So I could not follow my way back to where I was. I had to take a shuttle all the way around the outside of the airport back to the international terminal. And then I had to take another shuttle all the way back to catch their subway system. Actually, it's not a subway here, it's a train system, and it's called the MARTA. And I just took that to downtown Peachtree Plaza, and I could walk from there to my hotel. So my original plan for this afternoon was to go shopping for clothes for Panama. I figured here with the warmer weather, they'd have lighter weight clothes, but today I think is a holiday. But at least I can find no shopping downtown. So I'm going to go with plan B, which is to get a manicure pedicure. And by dinner, I should have some other friends that have arrived and we'll go out for dinner. So that was my day one. So take care, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2.